All right. Next up.
I see a Friends Lego kit. I'll just get that.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Same.
Even better, maybe. Immaculate number 3. There are the serial numbers. Oh, yeah, Nightmare. These went quick. The soccer mixers and these all sold very quickly.
I get a pony. Come on.
I had a pony growing up. That's a Seinfeld line, right? She's like making fun of people who had ponies growing up, and the old lady next to her. I had a pony growing up.
Man, I don't remember that. What's that? Freaking show.
Oh yeah, I hate anyone who ever had a pony.
Wrong, Phil. Season 2? Oh, yeah. I haven't rewatched season 1, 2, or 3 for a long time.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Oh boy.
I just saw a name on the bottom. Josh Jacobs to 40. Or number 40. Tim.
Red Raider, can you just order me one of those Seinfeld things and ship it to me? Have it shipped here.
You can't.
I don't want to set up an account and all that crap.
I have an account. I think I can do it for you.
I'm done setting up new accounts.
4 of 18. Chuba Hubbard. Mike.
Yeah, and put it together for me.
Wow, Dick Butkus. 1 of 10.
Is that what you're saying, little boy, about?
Tim.
Dick Butkus.
Yeah, I saw the Dick Butkus. Redemption. Jamie Newman, rookie patch autographs. That will be randomed amongst everybody. Killian Hill for my Packers. 33 of 99. Mike. And, well, yeah, it's hard, Red Raider, because I don't want to make it seem like I'm hiding anything.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at that patch, too.
Is that Lawrence?
4 of 10.
Oh, my
Trevor
God.
Lawrence. Mike.
Freaking Mike. Oh, what?
Well, it's just Killen, not Killian. Oh, yeah, we'll put it in a one-touch. We got lots of those. There's a whole sleeve of them right next to you. 130s.
Oh, yeah.
Like, still in there.
Jeez. Look at
Oh,
that.
Kylan. Kylan? There's no
Kylan.
I.
K-Y-L-I-N.
Oh.
What were you calling him?
Killian.
Jeez. Freaking Lawrence is amazing.
Doesn't Killian Hill just roll off the tongue? Kylan Hill. It's not as good. Yeah. I have a punch-up on Kylan Hill's name.
My grandpa fought in the war. He died on Killian Hill.
That is a hill I'm willing to die.
Battle of Killian Hill. Killer off. Kirilov is so hard. Killer off. Perfect. Easy to say. That's a good one. Deep Blue Sea.
T. Higgins, 10 of 99. Tim.
Haven't you seen my movies?
Jamar Chase, 1 of 18 caps. Also Tim. A lot of Jamar Chase so far.
Yeah.
This is, I think, Tillian Wallace.
Freaking shark ate me.
Tylan Wallace. I'm joking. Iron Sheffy, 7 of 10. Another redemption. So no matter what, before I reveal this, is this definitely going to be number 7 and that's going to be number 8? Does it matter?
What?
We have to random these redemptions.
I usually go with like the bigger one is 8, but
okay.
Or just whatever. Yeah, I don't know.
We can do the bigger one as 8.
Just say it before you do it. That's all.
Yeah,
whatever.
It doesn't really matter.
Okay, that's 7. This will be 8, right? Is that what you want?
Well, I thought we were going to go with the bigger one.
Oh, that's the bigger one.
I haven't even revealed the name of this one. Whatever. They're both Jamie Newman. It's literally the exact same card.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
There's not a parallel difference. There's not.
Wow. We should have gone longer with like, all right, well we're gonna do a random ahead of time to see which one goes where. They're both Jamie Newman.
Seth Williams, 7 of 25, Iron Sheffy.
Yeah, we start fighting over it. Exact same card.
And, wow, Trey Lance, RPA, 17 of 99.
Yeah, like I say, mute the mic. We need to talk about this, and then you think you muted it, but you didn't. And
yeah.
I'm like, this is the crap I'm talking about. Like, I run this business.
We got to figure this out before we open the boxes.
You're here to help me. Not taking over the... All right, sorry, guys. Yeah, I think we worked it out.
And then I mute the mic for 10 minutes after thinking I'm unmuting it.
Just an amateur show.
Well, let's do the...
What? Oh.
The big Jamie Newman randoms. So number 7 is going to get Jamie Newman rookie patch autograph, and number 8 is going to get Jamie Newman rookie patch autograph.
That was funny. Yeah, and they both go to Tim no matter what. Could have been a Mahomes, like they put in 17 NT RPAs. Tim gets in there. Oh, man. I have more of this.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do a bunch.
Yeah.
Here. I bought another case.
JD gets one of them. Watch it. We'll stay on the same spot. No. Tron Travolta gets the other.
I mean, I did have a pretty good football mixer, though.
Oh, yeah.
Ten spots. No, there's no limit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Limit.
The limit does not exist. Well, look at this thing. Jeez.
Yeah,
incredible card. Is that a PlayStation patch, maybe?
Oh, I don't know.
Like the end of PlayStation?
Yeah, it kind of does look like it.
From a bowl game or whatever. And a Trey Lance RPA, too. This is a good 2 boxes. Well, they've all been pretty good. That was really good.